Why managing blood and bodily fluid contamination is essential for food safety. In the fast-paced world of food manufacturing, the last thing you want to deal with is a contamination issue, especially one involving blood or bodily fluids. From accidental cuts to unexpected illnesses, bodily fluids can find their way into the production area, posing serious health risks and compromising the safety of your products. This is why managing blood and bodily fluid contamination isn't just a good practice, it's essential. Understanding the risks. Blood and bodily fluids are potential carriers of dangerous pathogens like HIV, hepatitis B, and other infectious agents. When these fluids come into contact with food products, they can lead to cross-contamination, resulting in foodborne illnesses that could be catastrophic for your business. Beyond the immediate health risks, there are also legal and reputational consequences to consider. Failure to properly manage these risks can lead to non-compliance with CCP and SQF requirements, which could result in hefty fines or even the closure of your facility. How this course help? Our course on managing blood and bodily fluid contamination is designed to equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to effectively handle these situations. We'll walk you through the reasons why blood and bodily fluid contamination is so dangerous, and show you the best practices for containment and safety measures. Tips for managing contamination risks. Regular inspections. Conduct regular inspections of your facility to identify potential contamination risks. Immediate response. The moment a spill occurs, it's crucial to act quickly. Stop production immediately and isolate the affected area to prevent further contamination. Proper training. Ensure that all staff are trained in the procedures for handling blood and bodily fluid contamination. This includes first aid, using protective equipment, and cleaning protocols. Accurate record keeping. Keep detailed records of any incidents involving blood or bodily fluids. Don't miss out. Managing blood and bodily fluid contamination is not something you can afford to overlook. This course is free for a limited time, and it provides essential training that will help you meet CCP and SQF requirements, manage risk, and protect your business. Plus, upon completion of the course and quiz, you'll receive a free training certificate that you can display as proof of your commitment to food safety. Don't wait, comment below to get started.